Welcome students. Today let us start with our practice set 3 of chapter number 1. In last part we have already seen practice set 2, how to construct a triangle when its all three sides were given to you. Now in practice set 3 also we are going to construct a triangle from the measures given below. So let's see the first question. In triangle MAT, length of MA is 5.2 centimeter. Measure of angle A is 80 degree. Length of AT is 6 centimeter. Now children, what you will see this in this question. Now one angle is also given to you. In last practice set 2 you have seen that all the three sides only was given. Now in this, two sides and one angle in between them is given. So let's construct. Before constructing a fair figure we have to draw the rough figure. So let me draw one rough triangle. What's the name of the triangle, children? The name of the triangle is MAT. So let's name the triangle as MAT. Now write what are measurements given to you. Length of MA. MA is side. This is the MA side. It's given you 5.2 centimeter. Now angle A is given. One angle is given to you. This is angle A. Angle A is how much given? 80 degree. And one more side is given to you. Length of 80 is 6 centimeters. So down is 80, 6 centimeters. So this is your rough figure. This is your rough figure. Triangle MAT. Two sides are given to you now and one angle is given to you. Let's see how to construct it with the fair figure. So always start with a base. What is the base? 86 centimeter. So let's draw with the help of scale a base. 86 centimeter from 0 till 6 here. I have drawn 80 base. Always construct with the base triangles. 86 centimeter. Now after taking the base, we have to take the angle first. Angle is always taken with the help of a protractor. So place the angle A is 80. So we will place this protractor's center on A. Keep it properly. Match this. It should be in a straight line. Now just look from inside 0. 80 degrees. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. Here is 80. After marking 80 degree, just make that ray of angle. So this is your 80 degree you are marked. Now one more side is given to you. AM or MA. How much it is? 5.2. 5.2 children, you have to take it in a compass. Take this compass. From scale you have to take 5.2 in a scale. So after 5, 2 lines. So I have taken 5.2 in a compass with the help of scale. Put it on A. Put this pointer on A and make a cut like this. And then join this. This is your M point. Now join this MT to get the triangle. So this is your required triangle MAT. AT was 6 centimeter, angle A was 80 degree and MA side was 5.2 centimeter. So this is your required triangle. Now let's move to the second sum. In triangle NTS, measure of angle T is 40 degree. Length of NT is equals to length of TS is equals to 5 centimeter. Means these two sides are of same length. NT is also 5 centimeter and TS is also 5 centimeter and one angle in between them is 40 degree. So let's draw the rough triangle. What's the name of the triangle? NTS. So just name it NTS. Now write its measurement. NT and TS both are 5 centimeter. Down is TS. TS is also 5 centimeter. NT is this side, that is also 5 centimeter. And angle T, in between these two sides the angle is given 40 degree. So this is your rough figure. Now let's construct the fair figure. Always we are starting with the base TS 5 centimeter. Draw it with the help of scale. 5 centimeter. This is your TS 5 centimeter. Now first make the angle with the help of protractor. Place it on T as T is 40 degree. Place it properly. Now from 0, inside 0 you have to see 0, 10, 20, 30, 40. 40 is here. So mark it 40 degree. Make a ray of that angle. Now NT is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter you have to take it in a compass with the help of scale. So take it 5 centimeter. This is your 5 centimeter. Place this pointer on T and make one arc like this. And then this is your point N of the triangle. Vertex N. Now join this to get the triangle's third side. So this is your required triangle NTS. Just give the measurements. NT was 5 centimeter. T is 40 degree. So this is your required triangle NTS. Now children, let's move to the third sum. In triangle FUN, length of FU is 5 centimeter, length of UN is 4.6 centimeter, measure of angle U is 110 degree. So these are the two sides and one angle between them is 110. So let's draw the first rough figure. Name of the triangle is FUN. Just see the measurements children. UN is down, it's 4.6 centimeter. Angle U is 110 degree and FU is this side, it is given 5 centimeter. So let's draw the fair figure children. Always start with the base. UN is 4.6 centimeter. Draw it with the help of scale. 4.6 centimeter after 4, 5, 6 lines. So this is your UN 4.6 centimeter. After that take the angle. U is 110 degree. So place your pointer properly on U as U is 110. From the inside 0 you have to look it. 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. Here is 110. So take a point. Make a ray. 110 degree as it is obtuse angle. After that FU is 5 centimeter. 5 centimeter you have to take it in a compass. So take it 5 centimeter in a compass with the help of scale. Now place it on pointer on U and make a cut like this 5 centimeter and then join this. This is your F point. Join it properly to get the triangle, third side of the triangle. So this is your required triangle FUN. Put the measurements. UN is 4.6. Measure of angle U was 110 degree. FU is 5 centimeter. See the last sum of this practice set. Question number 4. In triangle PRS, length of RS is 5.5 centimeter, length of RP is 4.2 centimeter, and measure of angle R is 90 degree. As it is 90 degree, it is a right angle triangle. So let's draw the triangle. It's a right angle triangle, so I'm drawing it like this because 90 degree measurement it is. What's the name of the triangle? PRS. RS is 5.5 centimeter. Down is RS. It is 5.5 centimeter. RP is 4.2. RP or PR, you can name it like that also. It is 4.2 centimeter. One on the same thing. This angle is 90 degree. So it is a right angle triangle. It is straight angle. It will look like this only. So let's draw first the base. RS 5.5 centimeter with the help of scale. This is your 5.5. RS 5.5 centimeter. Take the angle R 90 degree with the help of protractor in a protractor. From inside 0 if you look 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90. Here up is 90. Mark it. Now RP is how much? 4.2. Take it in a scale. Take it with the help of scale in your compass. 4.2 centimeter. This is your 4 and 2 lines. Keep it on R. Cut it and join this. This is your required triangle. Name it PRS. R angle was 90 degree. RS 5.5 and PR is 4.2 centimeter. So these 4 sums are in the practice set 3. Practice them very well. In next part we will see practice set number 4. Till then, goodbye.